So
No,
your journey, English journey, like when did you start and why you are learning English language? What is the reason?
okay. Actually, bro, the reason was behind it when I was in working. So those days I just used to talk with uh, south part of India people.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know very well, bro. They just talk in English.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So when I was not like good in English, even
Okay.
now I'm able to speak a word in English. But at that moment, I just afraid, scared to talk in English.
Hmm.
So then I felt very like embarrassed with
Okay.
talking with yeah those guys.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, then I determined I should learn how to speak in English, and then I started my journey to learn English. That's it.
So, brother, like, what would you to like do yourself about English language? Like, what will you? I mean, what do you believe yourself like about listening, watching, and
Okay.
speaking, video calling, audio calling? So, what do you prefer to?
Mhm. I prefer only I just watch the videos on YouTube regarding to English.
Oh, I see. That's
Yeah,
good. Even I
yeah, bro.
thought also like, this is also my answer. Okay. Like always, watch a YouTube video and try to observe a people, try to listen podcast, and if possible, then talk to yourself. This is very, very important. See,
Right, right, right.
if you listen 100%, if you watch 100%, if you try to, we can say, like, think 100%, but if you do not practice 100%, it's not gonna work, we can say.
Yeah,
It's very difficult. Practice is very, very important, brother. you know
yeah, brother. Practice is very
yeah,
important, and also consistency is also important. If you
yeah, brother.
skip a day to like practice, so
Yeah.
it's never be gonna to work, bro.
Yes, even I'm going to share with you my story, brother. A couple of months ago, okay, I wasn't regular about English language. I was just thinking like, tomorrow I will talk with stranger people. Then I shifted a day, like tomorrow. Then whenever come to tomorrow, like today, then again I shift another day. So it's happened with me that moment, and I wasn't learning proper. Then I realized why I'm shifting a day, and what is the reason why I'm not improving proper English language, why I'm not improving my communication skill. Then I found, like, if you try regular basis, like not 1 and 2 hours, seriously, lots of people recommended, lots of people talk about just practice of 1 and 2 hours, but it's not gonna work, brother. If you think a whole day, then you will clarify like what I'm trying to tell in front of people. Then your mind will thinking, then you will realize like, oh my god, I'm doing wrong and right.
Mm. Actually,
For
bro.
example, brother, i'm going to
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
you I'm going to tell you, people talk about, a day, just practice a 1 hour and 2 hour. Okay, people talk about this thing, but come
Mhm.
to the point, if you practice 1 and 2 hour, we can say like a day, how many hours we have? Maybe 12 hours. Am I right? 12 hours,
Right.
13 or 14 hours. Just assume that 14 hours. Okay. Only for 2 hours you practice. But those hours, we can say like 10 hours continuously, you are thinking about Hindi, your mother tongue language. So it's gonna help, it's gonna improvement. Just think
No,
about.
no, never, bro.
Automatically your mind is thinking Hindi language because you give a 10 hours, you speak a 10 hours Hindi language. Just assume that this is your mother tongue language. Just assume, okay, you are thinking a 10 hours. So obviously whole day you think a 10, you think a English language, I mean Hindi language 10 hours. So in future time also, you will never become a fluent speaker. And
Yeah.
only for 2 hours you practice, so it's gonna work proper.
No, bro, no. If
Yeah.
really you are like interesting to learn English, you are seriously, you are very conscious towards learning English. So you just have need to immerse, totally immersed
Yeah,
in
brother.
English.
Can say like, whole day we just think about like what is the reason and why I'm learning English language, then automatically, brother, if you think yourself, then automatically you will get the idea, automatically your mind will thinking, and automatically you can speak yourself. Doesn't matter where you are, where your level, we can say like
Yeah, which level you are at. Mhm.
think. If you think, then you will get an idea, you will improve yourself, your confidence will higher day by day, you can implement your communication skill. So it's
Mhm.
very important practice. Whenever you free time, don't think about like I'll do a 1 and 2 hours. Nothing. This is not gonna work, brother. Seriously. If you think whole day, definitely you will clarify at least basically like what do you mean by English language, how to learn in front of people, how to talk in front of people without hesitation, without fear.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right, right. Actually, bro, if I talk about myself, it's my first session, which is gonna be to upload on YouTube.
Okay. See, brother, what happened? Like, please tell me about your journey. Like, what kind of problem you faced before about English
Yeah,
language? Yeah.
actually, when I have started to learn, those days I didn't have any kind of resources where I could learn.
Okay.
So then I just thought to search the things on Google.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and bro, literally, then I whatever came in my mind, I just search on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good, man. That's good. But if I talk about myself, brother, I face a lots of problem about English language. Literally, I face it's very difficult for me that moment. Like, I wasn't have any partner, and we can say like I was thinking about. I was just irritated myself. Like, always I watch a YouTube video, and those people, without any mistake, they were talking about easily and easily converted, and it's look like native language. So I was thinking like how do people talk without hesitation, without fear? What is the reason? Like, how do they do? I was curious about to learn English language, man. Today we can say whenever I watch, for example, that moment, I haven't any atmosphere, any partner, any environment, nothing. Only I was, and always I prefer to like listening, watching, and speaking like that. But it wasn't work proper. For example, if you beginner, brother, and people talk about, hey brother, you should try to learn like grammar, reading a book, listening music, and some kind of podcast, watching a movie, Hollywood, and YouTube channel like that. So if you beginner, definitely you can do, but that moment you wasn't get an answer. You will never learn something like immediately how to talk, how to understand. You try to
Yeah.
listen, then it's gonna work. It's
It
gonna take a time. Maybe we can say one
it
month, two
takes a
months, three
time.
months. Yeah.
Mm.
So it's
Right,
very
brother, right.
important. Just passion about. It's very important. If you interest, then you can learn within a short period. You know?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
it totally up to you. Like how much curious you are to learn.
Yeah, brother. Nowadays, seriously, people are learning English language especially in India, brother. In lockdown period, okay, lots of people started to learn English language, and I think our country is developing day by day. Yeah,
Yeah, they were utilizing their time.
yeah, brother. And this is
Yeah.
great thing, brother. We should develop our personality development, our communication skill, because in future time a day will come like everywhere will be going English language. One day definitely come. Nowadays
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can manage our own language like Hindi, English, Marathi, whatever. Sorry, not English. But if you talk about especially English, one day come, it's necessary to talk like any school, any college, any job interview, any like in a market, everywhere will be going to English language. One day definitely come. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I know, bro.
Yeah, brother. So bro, I think we have to stop here because our video is going to lengthy. Okay, so thank you very much for
Oh,
connecting, and it was
okay.
easy conversation. Okay.
Okay, brother. Okay, you're